Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna refresh with pine lemon zest drink. For making this we need small pieces of pineapples, lemon zest, lemon juice. Into an empty bowl, drop ingredients are pineapples, lemon juice, sugar, add some water. Grind well and strain out the juice. Now you can sprinkle with zest for flavor. Pineapples are tropical fruit that are rich in vitamin enzymes and antioxidants. They may help boost the immune system, build strong bones and aid in digestion. Pineapples are also low in calories. Now the naturally aromatic pine lime is ready to serve. Do support, like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.